So, from the beginning, we've thought about posts, we've thought about plans, we've looked at some tools, we've looked at boosting. We need to manage our Facebook pages. We need to review what's worked and what isn't working. So make sure that you are constantly assessing what's happening. You know, we know that Facebook is changing all of the time. You know, always assess your goals. Are they still relevant? Don't be the practices that are spending lots of money and actually it's wasted because you haven't checked in, okay? Look at the posts that are doing well and do more of them, okay? And evaluate your messages. If you're still targeting the children, are they still relevant? If you're doing the empty nesters, is it still relevant? Make sure that you're looking at the insights, looking at the stats behind your Facebook pages to see what's working and what isn't working. And make sure that you're thinking about, you know, 10 minutes a day is how you could or should be managing your Facebook pages. You know, if you've got everything planned in advance, if you've got everything tracked, if you've got everything thought about, it should only be 10 minutes. Do some work, plan at the beginning of the month, get everything scheduled.